Breast pumps play a crucial role in supporting breastfeeding mothers. They relieve fullness, maintain milk supply, and make feeding more flexible. For families, pumps allow partners and caregivers to help with feeding. This gives mothers time to rest and recover while strengthening family bonds. Sharing responsibilities reduces stress and creates a positive environment for both mother and baby. Using a pump also encourages consistency. Regular pumping ensures milk supply remains stable, which benefits the baby's nutrition and overall health. Ultimately, breast pumps help make breastfeeding a team effort, where the mother, baby, and family all benefit.